This is part one of clipping the bird.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Ready? Come on.
This is close as I'm gonna get.
You want to get over here?
This is
Come
as
on,
close
Papa.
as you're gonna get.
Come on, Papa. Come on.
Let's see if I can zoom.
Papa.
And,
Papa.
oh, Jesus, she's going in for the move. Oh, he's looking. He's running. Don't fly. I will jump.
Where's your,
Hold on. Easy. Easy.
Oh, I'm
Easy.
gonna come over here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh, 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 help me, Jesus, Lord. Where is the bird?
It's
Where
right here.
is it?
It's over here, Stone.
Oh,
It's all right.
where?
Come here, baby.
I'll just get this over here.
I thought there might be some
I don't think anything broke.
All right, baby.
Hey.
Hold.
He's not biting. He's not biting. He's not even looking to bite you. He's just
I'll walk
hanging.
away from
He's
him. I
just,
think he's nervous of me,
He's
so I'll
fine.
walk away from him.
he's just hanging out. Here's your checkbook, though.
It's in my wallet.
In here?
Yeah, open up the other. Keep going. Unsnap. Open. There you go.
Okay.
Look, it's one little thing you did. Right
Well,
there.
at least we
And
know
I
that.
got it
Don't
on
do that again.
video.
Yeah, but there should be a card underneath it. Here.
I'm just guessing that I don't think he likes you.